A skilled carpenter inspects an old wooden table in his workshop. Noticing something strange hidden inside, he carefully taps the wood. Hears an unusual, hollow sound and starts opening the secret compartment with suspense. Inside the table, he discovers a small wooden box wrapped in dust and time, hidden for years. The carpenter slowly opens the box and finds an old mysterious note that changes everything. His face freezes in shock as he realizes the table was hiding a secret no one was supposed to find. The workshop grows silent, and the carpenter stares at the secret, wondering who built the table and why. He gently unfolds the old note and finds a strange message written in fading ink. The message reveals that the table once belonged to a master carpenter with a hidden past. The carpenter looks around the workshop, feeling like someone might still be watching him. Under the note, he discovers a tiny brass key tucked deep inside the wooden box. He inserts the key into a hidden lock beneath the table, and a secret drawer opens. Inside the drawer, he finds old photos, sketches, and a clue to a forgotten treasure. The carpenter realizes this was never just a piece of furniture. It was a map to a buried mystery. He smiles quietly, ready to uncover the truth behind the table's hidden secret. If you want me to continue the story, comment below and I'll reveal what happens next.